Ayan guys, at may nakita tayong may tapat natin guys, may nahulog na wallet. Titingnan ko guys kung ano naman. At kung may identification at kung ano yung number, matawagan natin para. Ayan guys, so, guys, may naman, may pira guys, 150. Ay, ito man meron pa 151 naman. Wala naman number niya yun. Guys, may nakita ako.
No.